And boom. All right, people. We're talking 5 degrees. Friday, 17th, 9:30 a.m. We're in Green Bay. You know, Green Bay that's going to the playoffs this weekend, Green Bay. They say tonight we're getting a little bit of snow. And from what I'm to understand, quite a bit of snow. That's not why I'm here. We're talking it's 5 degrees. We're talking this. And we're going to talk cold start. Because you boys in, California, 50-degree weather, cold start. Stradman, I do give it to you. You do awesome cold starts. Haven't worked on that in a minute. But then again, there's a hood for it. Oh yeah. Now this is really nothing. It's just a Boxster. Nothing fancy. But it is 5 degrees. Make sure we don't have any tunes. Plenty of oil. Fire in the hole. Alright. Just pulling this out here so I can sweep out the garage, as we're going to have massive snowstorms like I showed you on the weather thing tonight. So I don't really let me give me some heat for when I get back in here. Oh Jesus. Whoops. I'm trying to roll back in neutral and I clipped the mirror. Oops. Maybe I better turn the wheel. They park over enough. You know, when you have a roommate, you gotta give him room. And he took his car out today. So since he took his car out, we got some leaves. I figured I'd just quick right, Jesus. Clean the garage out here, sweep it out. But anyway, you guys watched the Packers this weekend. It's the 49ers. Oh, anyway. Yeah. Nothing major. Just a Porsche Boxster. But anyway, Green Bay, Wisconsin. 49ers. You guys watch them this weekend. Go Pack.